Welcome to MathAlley, home of math learning. Today I'm going to discuss the basics of solving a linear equation. So my first question is, what is an equation? An equation is a statement that says two expressions or quantities are equal. It always has an equal sign in it. Now my next question is, what is a linear equation? A linear equation is an equation in which each term is either constant or the power of the variable is 1. So for example, I have this equation y equals to 2x plus 1. This is a linear equation because power of y is 1, power of x is 1. Let's say another one, x plus 4 equals to 9. This is a linear equation because the power of x is 1 and other terms are constant. But let's say this equation, xy equals to 3. This is not a linear equation because the power of x is 1 and power of y is 1, and that makes it total power 2. So this is not a linear equation. Y square equals to x. This is not a linear equation. There are many different ways to solve a linear equation, but we will start with a very basic equation. Let's say I have x plus 4 equals to 9. I want to solve for this. What does that mean? I want to solve. That means I want to find the value of x so that this equation stands correct. So for this, I will have to separate x from the other terms. That means I should have x on the one side of the equal sign and all the other terms on the other side of the equal sign. So for that, I will subtract 4 from both the sides. I will get x equals to 9 minus 4. That means x equals to 5. So that means whenever this x is taking a value 5, this equation is correct. Let's verify our answer. I'm just going to substitute the value of x I found in my original equation and try to see if I'm getting the 9 or not. So x plus 4, x is 5 plus 4 equals to 9. Yes, so when x equals to 5, this equation is correct. Let's see one more example. 2x plus 4 equals to 6, let's say here. Alright, I want to separate my x. I will start from subtracting 4 from both the sides. This will give me 2x equals to 6 minus 4 is 2. Now this x is multiplied by 2, so I'm going to divide both the sides by 2. And this 2 will get cancelled, and x equals to 2 divided by 2 is 1. Alright, let's verify. Again, I'm going to put the value of x which I found in my original equation and see if I get 6 or not. So 2 into x is 1 plus 4. 2 ones are 2 plus 4 equals to 6. So that means the value when x equals to 6, this is the correct equation. So this is how we find the solution of an equation. Alright. Now you might come across this type of question. I'm going to write it here. Let's say the question is, examine if x equals to 5 is the solution of x plus 3 equals to 8 or not. That means they have given the value of x. For this provided value of x, we have to see if this equation is correct or not. Alright, so simply you have to take the original equation and substitute the value which they have asked us. So x equals to 5 plus 3, and yes, 5 plus 3 is 8. So that's why x equals to 5 is the solution of this equation. Let's see one more. I have here 2x plus 3 plus 3x equals to 6x plus 3. Find the solution of this equation. Well, when you look at it, you might get like, wow, so many terms. All you have to do is expand, simplify, and put the like terms together. So first I'm going to multiply this. I'm going to simplify this portion, which says 2x plus 2 3s are 6 plus 3x equals to 6x plus 3. Alright, these are my like terms, so I can add it together. 2x plus 3x is 5x plus 6 equals to 6x plus 3. Alright, now what am I going to do? I'm going to subtract 6 from both the sides. So I will get 5x equals to 6x. 3 minus 6 is minus 3. Now I'm going to subtract 6x from both the sides because I want to bring this 6x this side of the equation. So 5x minus 6x equals to minus 3. Now these are the like terms, so I can subtract as usual. 5x minus 6x is minus x equals to minus 3. Or you can multiply both the sides by minus 1 and that would give me x equals to 3. Now, okay, we have done such a long step. So now I want to verify here if this equation, this answer, what solution I found is correct or not. X equals to 3. I'm going to put it here. Let's put it on the left side only. 2 into x plus 3 plus 3x. X we found is 3. So 2 into 3 plus 3 plus 3 into 3. Solve the terms in the parentheses first. So this will be 6 plus 3 into 3. 6 2s are 12, 3 3s are 9. The total is 21. So my left side answer is 21. Let's see if what happens if I solve the right side. 6x plus 3. Again, x equals to 3 plus 3. That means 6 3s are 18 plus 3. And this gives me 18 plus 3, 21. All right. So my left side and right side, both the answers are same. And that's why x equals to 3 is the correct solution. So things to remember here in solving a basic equation is first combine the like terms together. And the second is get the variable on one side and third and the constants on the other side of the equal sign. All right, and then you can solve the problem. All right, I'm going to write a couple of more examples which you can try on your own to solve it. I have one question here is minus 13 is equals to 5, 1 plus 4m minus 2m. And number 2 here I have is minus 5 minus 9 plus x equals to 15 plus 3, 2x minus 5. This example looks so scary, but once you simplify one by one, it's not that much. Let's try this one. Minus 5, let's solve the parenthesis first. Minus 9 minus x equals to 15 plus, multiply this, 3 2s are 6x minus 5 3s are 15. Now multiply this sign, simplify this. 5 minus 9 is minus 4 minus x equals to, this 15 and this 15 will cancel out. So actually you are left with 6x. Now this minus, when you multiply with inside, this minus will become plus, which will be 4 plus x equals to 6x. And if you subtract x from both the sides, you get 4 equals to 5x. And then you divide both the sides by 5, you should get 4 by 5 equals to x. So this is your solution. All right, try to solve more examples and you will get more idea of it. Thank you. See you in my next video.